Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to watch live match on Cricbuzz. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, what you need to know is Cricbuzz.The stream live matches. It only provides live scores, commentary, stats and updates. So you cannot watch live video on Cricbuzz. What you can do is follow a live match on Cricbuzz. To do it, first simply head over and open up the App Store, then on the search bar type in Cricbuzz. Then simply tap on the app, then tap on the download option or get option and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. And once downloaded, simply tap on open, and then once inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the match. Or you'll find the match option right here. Simply tap on the matches option and here select live from the top. Then what you need to do is simply select the match that you want to watch like this, and here the live match will be shown right here. Now in order to view scoreboard, simply tap on the scoreboard option, and then you can also see the live score, ball by ball commentary and scorecard and stats. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like and thank you for watching.